Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to dive deep into this powerful website called Grape Lead. Grape Lead could be the answer you've been searching for. This review will explore what Grape Lead offer and how it could help you. So to get started, Grape Lead is a tool that help business like you find a new customers. Think of it like a helper that works to find people who might be interested in what you sell. It's all about lead generation, which is a way of getting new potential customers. Grape Leads provide a way to create a list of these people. It helps you find their contact information. You can reach out to them. Sometimes you can find special offer called Grape Leads coupon code. So if you want more Grape Lead for your business, these tools can be help. Now to get started, this platform also have a lot of top benefit for Grape Lead. It comes with a find client, which is one of the benefits of using this platform. It also comes with this benefit, which is great for web developers and agencies. Get actionable leads to turn into customers, and a discover business with outdated website and a perform details batch analysis. So talking about the best features, Grape Leads has some really cool tools inside that makes it finding a new customer service. So these special features are designed to help you grow your business with a minimal fees. So let's take a look at what makes Grape Leads so helpful. So one of these key features that make this Grape Leads so helpful is finding a business without a website. Let's come with another features, which is a fast reporting and a detailed results together with a reliable customer support and an affiliate program. So talking about the pricing plan, they have three major pricing plan. So they have the freelancer plan, they have the startup plan, and the agency plan. And talking about the freelancer plan, the price range between $28 to $29 per month. And also for the startup plan, it comes with the $55 to $65 per month, and the agency plan, which is about $127 to $30. So that's it. So talking about the pricing, the pros and cons, they have the different categories of pros and cons, which is the advantages and disadvantages of this website. So talking about the advantages, they find a new customer fast, which was one of the advantages. They also help you save your precious time targeting on website business and provide details lead info together with offer a helpful customer support. And here's the disadvantages about this platform. It might cost money. The lead volume can vary and it requires you to reach out, not for all business. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website.